Hey, sir. Oh, another day, another dollar.
Yep, I hear ya.
Let's go, Doc. Kind of hear the story, but. Sorry. Did she give me a date of birth? No.
No, the trauma room that we saw.
Yeah.
Trisha.
She's kind of talks. Just a lot. Yeah. City council member. City council member from County of Alameda. Just want to do date of birth.
No, that's the lobby. No.
Sounds like a possible fall. Unwitnessed. He called us out for the not a person on the ground. When we got there, she was. No other trauma already. Vitals were all straight.
Is anything hurting you? What's your name?
Risk one.
Can you tell me your name? Did you fall?
Can you tell me?
No? Remember anything hurting you?
I do have the name.
Oh,
We don't
yeah,
have her
thank
name.
you. Oh, okay.
So we can get the date of birth on her.
Okay.
Like we're all waiting for the date of birth. She's more concerned about it.
And it was like a sidewalk, or where was she?
She's on the sidewalk. Outside a bar.
Wait, right here.
No, she has a little thing around her neck. It wasn't an ID, but it said who she possibly was. I just want to make sure we confirm it. That's all. Yes, sir. Yep. Yeah, I'm letting the staff deal with her right now. She's uncooperative with them. She's heavily intoxicated. but I'm red right now. So, yep,
Nope.
it is.
I haven't from here. Nothing happened.
All right.
Looks like you took a hazard
Yeah,
right
I
in
will.
the ground.
Thank you, sir. Bye.
Trish? What's your birthday?
I'm not gonna answer.
Okay.
No.
You don't have to answer.
No, I have no problem.
Okay.
What the fuck are you doing?
No,
You know, no.
there we go.
No. Yes, you do.
There we go.
Are you fucking
You're okay.
No, you're.
You're okay.
I'm not okay. Yeah,
We're not a
you're fucking
We're just trying to share.
No, I'm
So
fine.
then what happened?
Nothing happened.
So why are you in the hospital?
I don't know.
Where are we?
You're fucking.
Where are we?
Oh, you're fucking.
Where are we
No.
right now? Make it hurt wearing your legs. Alright, she has a small.
Probably fine.
Smell the stronger
No,
than alcohol.
you're not going to me. Yeah. No, you're not going to me. No, you're not going to me. No, you're not going to me. No, you're not going to me.
Hey there.
No,
lost your badge.
Do you have any medical problems? Sure. You ever had surgery for anything? You take any medications every day? Any allergies to medication? You drink every day or just kind of a little bit too much today? You smoke tobacco? Any recreational drug use? Okay.
I don't know. Just Ronnie's trolling us. Are you being serious?
I'm real
I didn't know you were being serious.
I'll hold her down for you and.
Do we get a big date of birth in her match?
I got it.
no, that's you.
Yeah, it's from
We're
Alameda.
not abusing you. Nobody's abusing you.
Yes, you are.
Do you mind if I ask her? Maybe okay. I know they're holding her down. Yeah. Let me see if I can ask her. Hey, Doc, do you mind if I ask for her date of birth?
Go through. What?
Hey, Trisha.
All right.
Hi, I'm Sergeant Skeen. Long Beach Police
I'm not.
Department.
I'm actually gonna call
Okay.
Chief Joshi because you know what? In real life,
Yes,
this.
ma'am. What's your date of birth, ma'am? I'm the police. So, what's your date of birth? Ma'am?
Yes, you don't get that. No.
Just relax, dear.
I know what you're doing.
Ma'am, do you have a good telephone number I can call somebody for you?
No.
Trisha? What's your date of birth? The staff needs to know and I need to know, okay? Trisha? Are you refusing to give me your date of birth? Are you refusing to talk to me? You want to let me know What happened tonight? You been drinking? Alright, I'm sorry guys, I tried. She attended an event today downtown. She was outside a bar when someone called her in the condition that she's in. That's how we found her.
In the bar, maybe.
Or it might be in the bar and holding the tab. I don't know. So she was unresponsive, just like. Well, she was. I think she's more responsive now than she was. But now that I think she's gonna take a nap now. So. All right. Thank you guys.